What's up 3D printer people? Are you still using a piece of paper to level your bed? Well, welcome to 3D Printer Academy, and in this video I'm going to show you a better way to level your 3D printer's bed. Let's jump right in. All you need is a file that takes up the entire bed, and you can find one on my website. It's essentially just a very flat X. You could also very easily make your own, except I don't know why you do that because mine is literally an instant download. Once the file is downloaded, which should be practically instantly because the file is only 4 kilobytes, load it into your slicer, rotate, scale, make sure skirt is on, this is very important, and click slice. Next, transfer the file to your 3D printer. I'm using my Ender 3's wireless printing capabilities. Navigate to the file and click print. Before using this method, at least make sure your bed is close to level. Now all you have to do is check the adhesion of the line as it prints the skirt. If it peels up or if it's not adhering, then raise that portion of the bed. If the line of filament is too thin and the nozzle is scraping against the bed, then lower that portion of the bed. This part of the bed is just slightly too high. And here the bed is slightly too low. Now continue testing the bed adhesion with your fingernail as it continues printing the shape. But don't use the meaty part of your finger because we don't want any grease getting on the build plate. Now here's some helpful diagrams. When the bed's too high, the filament is thin, and when the bed is too low, the filament barely adheres to the build plate. This is what the line of filament should look like. Not too thin and not too tall. Now once you get it to a point where the filament's adhering nicely to the build plate, there's no need to finish the print. You can just stop it and scrape it, and your bed should be preheated and ready to go for your print. I hope you enjoyed this method. I like to call it active bed leveling. I've never heard anyone call it that way, but I named it myself, so I'm calling it active bed leveling. I hope you enjoy it. The file's on the website, and take care, my happy printing people.